Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hello, bro.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning. Thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate it.
I'm glad that we were able to make it happen. I'm sorry about the timing on the last
Mm,
call.
yeah, it's okay. I know you're so busy. So let's get right into the discussion. As
Yeah,
I
yeah.
want to talk with you about these things. First of all, just for the start, how much do you think it is important for a trader, the psychology problems? I mean, we hear about the technical analysis, fundamental analysis, or they're getting involved into those things too much.
Right.
But I guess most of the traders' problems I talked with them is the psychology of themselves, not about the market. I mean, it's a totally different thing.
Right.
Understanding psychology of the market, how they behave, the bank behave to the market. But I wanted to know your opinion about the importance of the psychology of the trader. It's glad to have you.
Sure. I feel like the technical side of trading is not the harder part of trading. Like, if you want to learn how technical analysis works, you can study and you can learn how to read candlesticks, you can learn how to read indicators, and you can actually start to understand what the chart is telling you. It's almost like learning a different language. But
Yeah.
understanding how to manage money, manage risk, and and string wins together enough to grow an account is really difficult, especially if the trader that you're speaking about or speaking to struggles like with their own psychology. You have to believe in yourself
Yeah.
first, right? You have to believe that you're going to be able to gain the knowledge, the skill, give the time to it, and actually make this thing happen. Once you get to that point, I think then it's about learning how to be a master of risk, understanding where you're reading risk reward, and really just understanding too that you're never going to make $1 million or however much you think you can make on one trade. Rather, focusing on a process that you can follow, win or lose, knowing that at the end of the road a year later you're going to be profitable because you followed the system. So I think it's like you got to detach from short-term outcomes and focus on the process that you're following, and then that can actually, if you accept it, make the psychology part of trading easier to grasp.
Yeah, for sure. But do you think that, falling in love with the potential outcome, with the outcome that people think about the trading will come, like the huge car, like houses, do you think that does this really have the effect on trading? I mean, of course it does, but how much do you think that people have to handle those things? Because everywhere, when you talk about trading, the
Right.
first thing that comes is money and
Right.
huge car, and blah
Well, I
blah blah.
think you have to remember, like, why you got into trading. I didn't get into trading because I like fancy cars or because I like anything like that, any material thing. I got into trading strictly because I didn't want to have to work a regular job. I didn't want to have someone else dictating how much money I could make. And I wanted to be able to kind of live life the way I wanted to live. And I know everybody says that, but the reason for me saying that is because, like, I saw very early on with my family how life can end very
Yeah.
quickly and it can change very quickly. So you got to live. So even if I'm not making $1 million right now, like when I was younger, at this age, my goal was to make $1 million a year. I didn't know about taxes. I didn't know about anything. I was like, okay, now I'm not at a
Yeah.
million, but I'm still doing okay. I'm doing more than okay. And I'm very grateful for the position that I'm in. So it's like realizing I got into trading for the lifestyle. I've been able to now create that lifestyle and live in it. I think that also kind of keeps you in check. And I don't compare myself to other people. I didn't, like I
Yeah.
said, I didn't get into it to post a picture of my car on Instagram. I did just get a new car. I posted about it once and you'll never see it again. That's it. You know what I'm saying? Because I got into trading not only for the lifestyle, but for the freedom across the board. And now I can share that like you're doing and I'm doing. We can share our experience and help other traders. So it's like, how does me posting about a car or a watch or anything like that? I don't even wear a watch. I wear this fitness tracker because this is more important. This is actually helping me live and sleep better, which helps me
Yeah.
make more money. So it's like, you got to remember why you got into trading. A lot of people forget it's easy to create an image on social media. And if you can make people think a certain thing, you can control their actions. So you can get people to buy your course or buy your membership or buy whatever.
Yeah.
And I think that that's why they use those images. That's why they sell that. But no one's really talking about the other side of the coin. You know what I mean? They're only showing you the image that they want you to see. So you just got
Yeah.
to remember that, you know? That's why, like, when I see people posting P&L or anything like that, you always got to remember they could be photoshopped. They can be, they're talking
Yeah.
about they just got this car from this. Cool. But I just think you don't need to compare yourself to other people. Why do that to yourself? You know what I mean? You're smart enough. You already got this far. Just trust yourself. Don't follow those people. You know, it's just not worth your energy.